we will do a small update on the progress of the plants. The decorative kale, I believe that's what it was called, the purple kale, is doing pretty well. So I put some clover seeds in here. So it's kind of like a wildflower clover seed is what I'm imagining. Over there is really good. There's also these other like multi-leafy thing coming up that I don't know if it's a weed or part of the clover. There's this grassy stuff coming up. Looks kind of more like weeds. The basil that had looked like it was dying looks like it's coming back. Seems to like this spot better. I put clover seed all over here as well. And it just looks like these are weeds maybe. It looks like some kind of grub is getting to these tomato plants on this side. But here's the first mint plant that we planted. And it's thriving well. Here's the second mint plant, and it's doing pretty well. Wonderful. I fed these guys a little bit more. I wonder about the grub. The grub's getting over here, but we've got 2 tomatoes. So that's pretty cool. There's a blossom.
And then cherry tomatoes. There's a lot more.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember. Oh, this one was a Better Boy. So those are Better Boy tomatoes. Again, the purple decorative kale.
This is cherry tomatoes.
And both of these are cherry. They call them a sweet 100. But you can see the little baby tomatoes.
And this one on this branch.
And there's lots more blossoms.
Right here.
Yeah, this one has a lot. So Camilla their baby girl has gotten into a few of them. But this is onion that the kids had. No. And then over here, our front plants seem to be doing pretty well. Trying to get them established before winter comes. Texas sage. I gave it some fertilizer the other day, and it got a purple blossom on it. It's supposed to have a whole bunch of purple blossoms, but it fell off. It'll probably blossom in the spring, but you can't really see it a whole ton. But when I put fertilizer feed on the pomegranates, they seem to blossom a bit more. So you can see, maybe, can you see the pretty purple, or not purple, these ones are orange blossoms. I don't know if you can see it very well with this lighting, but so it's exciting that they seem to be establishing fairly well, continuing to blossom while they also take root. Still working on the garden boxes. We need to do more wood chipping. We found some branches the other day by a dumpster. So we have more branches to wood chip. And then John also cut down a branch. I really can't see what the camera can see, but so I'm thinking we heard from an idea of like planting some green mulch, so maybe some alfalfa or some clover, and let it grow, and then when winter comes you tarp it with like a black tarp and let it smolder over the winter. But anyways, that's the update on the garden and the ventures. Hopefully we'll get some tomatoes to, I guess they'll just be gobbled up real quick, but at least it'll be food that we grew. Oh, and I bought this basil. The son planted it and it's not seeming happy, so I don't know. This has been a bit longer. Thanks for watching. Bye.